You're watching Max Talks, and we are now on the BYD stand at the Everything Electric show at Excel London. And we've finally got a chance to see the Sealion 7 in UK specification. Now, we first got to see this car when I went out to the Paris Motor Show in October last year, but we've now finally got it here in the UK with the steering wheel on the correct side. And we, of course, have details of what the UK spec will look like. So we know it's going to have a 91 kilowatt hour battery and will be good for about charging at 230 kilowatts, which will be 10 to 80% in about 24 minutes. You've also going to have the option of all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive with various different power outputs on that. And it's really going to be going up against the likes of the Tesla Model Y, Ford Capri, CUPRA Tavascan in that D segment sort of coupe-esque SUV class. But let's go and have a look inside, because compared to something like a Tesla Model Y, it is very, very different. Now, unlike the Tesla, inside here, we've got quite the experience going on. So like on the dashboard here, you can have 128 different colors for the various bits of mood lighting going on. Screen here, 15.6 inches. We've also got things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all your usual ADAS systems, climate and all that. That's all done from the screen here. But what's really cool is you can also rotate it. So if you prefer a portrait layout, so if you're using Google Maps, for example, then you can do that from there. That, I find it really, really cool. Like with a lot of cars now, 50-watt charging with a cooling pad for the interior. And everything in this car just feels really solid and is made of really nice materials. It's got this sort of like leatherette on the doors here. You got it on the seats, on the dash. Really, really nice, really premium feeling car. In terms of the sort of like space inside, we've also got this panoramic glass roof, dyno audio stereo system. Yeah, so you even get heads-up display as well. So it's a really, really nice place to be. In terms of pricing starts from about £47,000. But if you want to get the most intricate details on that, then be sure to check out my video up here where I actually go through the pricing of this car. But what do you think? Do you like the look of the Sealion 7? Do you prefer it to the Tesla Model Y? Why don't you let me know down in the comments below? And while you're there, be sure to give this video a like, and don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell icon, because we're hoping to get this car on the channel for a full review very, very shortly. So make sure you subscribe to that. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. I'm Max. This is Max Talks, and I'll see you on the next one.